Hi, let me show you how to turn any photo into sticker on iPhone 16e. Of course, we're gonna start by opening Photos app, and let's pick a photo we wanna turn into a sticker. For example, let's turn this Sabrina Carpenter photo into a sticker. For that, we need to long press it till it will start shaking like that, and on top you should see this option Add Sticker. So here you can rearrange it. You can also add an effect, for example, outline, or we can use this comic one and click down to save it to our stickers pack. Now you can add the sticker to any photo from your gallery or maybe to messages, notes, and so on. To add to photos, just click here to edit your photo, then tap on this markup, tap on plus, and choose to add sticker. Then simply find it in the list, click to select, and now you can immediately resize it, you can duplicate this sticker, delete, and of course tap done to save changes. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.